بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum student. We start with the name of Allah who is most beneficent and merciful. This is class 7 and the period is English language text. This is our 6th week and video number 5 in which we will cover our topic comprehension. Student, I'll introduce you first to the concept of comprehension and the level of meaning in comprehension. By the time you should be able to explain the true aim of comprehension, list of levels of meanings in comprehension, describe each level of meaning and complete activities based on levels of meaning. So student, here question is that what is comprehension? The definition of comprehension is, first of all, you must know that comprehension is the word derived from Greek word comprehend, which means to understand. If we see its literal meaning, then we can say that the literal meaning of comprehension is ability to understand completely or be familiar with situation or fact. What are levels of meaning? If we understand the level of meaning, we can easily differentiate the type of comprehension. There are 3 types of level of meaning: literal level of meaning, inferential level of meaning, and critical level of meaning. Literal level of meaning is any information given to the reader through facts clearly stated in reading material. We can understand this with the help of example. Let's see an example. This is a passage. The passage is that Joel likes to play football. Her sister Eva likes to play football with her brother and his friends too. Her mother doesn't allow her to play with them, but she always finds way to play without her mother knowing it. In this paragraph, the question is that what is the name of game Eva likes to play? We can easily find out its answer: football. Eva likes to play. Her sister Eva also likes to play football. So we can find easily in this passage. It's mean that it's clearly stated in reading material. This is first type of comprehension. The other type is inferential level. The other level is inferential level of meaning, in which this involves determining what is text mean. It requires to you understand the text and draw a conclusion. We can understand it with the help of example. For this, I will write here a paragraph. Billy is playing with his blocks. He is building a tower. He places one block to the top of another block to make his tower more higher and higher. More blocks he adds more intricate means complicated, intricate design becomes. In which we can ask that how is Bailey at building block? Question is here, how is Bailey at building blocks? We can say that Bailey is good at building block, or we can determine from the text that Bailey is good at building block. The question is here, how we assume that he is good at building block. We can assume it by reading this passage in which it's mentioned here that he placed one block to the top of another block to make his tower more higher and higher. It's mean that he is good at building block. The other level of meaning is critical level. In which we formed our own point of view, or opinion or judgment regarding what we have read or we have seen. Critical level of meaning, it describes in which we formed our own point of view or judgment, what we have read or seen. To understand this, we will see an example. We know that we have two types of comprehension, picture comprehension and comprehension in written paragraph form. We have seen here picture comprehension to understand critical level of meaning, in which we can see that there are many flowers, butterflies, dolphin with ball in pool, parasol, girl which is she is eating ice cream, another girl she has a ball in her hand. Now, in which they are asking that what is the weather in the picture. We can assume, or we can judge, or we can give our own opinion that this is a beautiful weather of spring season. What is in the pool? We can say that dolphin with ball is in the pool. What are under the parasol? Grass and stones are under the parasol. What is the shape of girl's sunglasses? The shape of girl's sunglasses is heart. How many flowers can you count? I can count 4 flowers. How many butterflies can you see? I can see 2 butterflies. Write the beginning sentence of a story based on picture. We can say that once upon a time, in beautiful weather, the children came out from the homes or from their homes to play in garden. So student, you can see that this is critical level of meaning or another type of comprehension, in which we form our own opinion by reading any paragraph or by seeing any photograph. Now come to the comprehension which is in written form or in paragraph form. How we will solve this comprehension? But remember that be familiar with the levels of meanings in comprehension will help you to know what answer the examiner and the teachers looking for in comprehension lesson. That's why it is very important for us to solve comprehension, to know the level of meanings in comprehension. Now I am going to write paragraph and I'll tell you how we will solve it. So student, the paragraph is, if one had been seeking for a man who combined all the qualities of goodness, one would have chosen artist, lawyer. He bore the title of Master of Arts. He was spending happiest life with his family. Then a contagious disease. Contagious disease is the disease which is transferred from one person to another person, swept over the country and also among the victim, and he also among the victim, and died in this disease. His wife was an expert in art of sewing. Each night found the widow busily engaged with her work. Mother and daughters often talked about their departed father. It gives me a great pain, said the mother. Here the question is, who was Laurier? Laurier was an artist. We can easily find this answer from our given paragraph. How did he die? He died in contagious disease. How did his wife earn? His wife earned by sewing, because she was an expert in art of sewing. That's why he earned by sewing. What thing gives her pain? When her daughters talked about her departed father, it gave her a great pain. So student, by reading any paragraph, we can easily solve its question. It is our topic of comprehension. Now come to the home task. You will read different comprehension and solved the exercise. You will solve the given exercise for practice. I hope you have understand about the topic comprehension. In our next video we will meet again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.